Burbank, Melrose Park, Maywood. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 7:45 p.m. At 5:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 10 nautical miles west of Midway Airport, or 17 nautical miles west of 31st Street Harbor, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source: law enforcement. Impact: small craft could be damaged from briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crick, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Marshall Harbor, Brenham Harbor, Hammond Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, Falmouth Harbor, and Marina Shores Empty Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.